First up at 5, the Mobile County Health Department giving details about the age, gender, and locations of those confirmed COVID-19 cases in the county. But that's not all that came out of today's update. Our Tyler Fingers standing by live in downtown with more from what Mayor Stimson had to say this afternoon concerning more than a dozen first responders. Could they possibly have this virus? Tyler?
Yeah, hey, good evening, Byron. We are learning more about those first responders, which are police officers and firefighters who have tested positive for the COVID-19 antibody test. We told you yesterday that four of them tested positive. That was 3 firefighters and 1 police officer. Now we found out that 16 have tested positive for the antibody test as of today. 9 of those are police officers, 7 of those are firefighters. Again, antibody test, not the definitive nasal swab. They are now being tested for that nasal swab, and that is expected to come back within the next 24 to 48 hours. But we just heard from Mobile Public Safety Director James Barber within the last about an hour and a half. Take a listen to what he had to say.
We have 9 police officers and 7 firefighters that are now showing the antibody positive for COVID-19, and so they're still awaiting the PCR test, which is the validation confirmation test of whether or not that virus is actually active. But until then, they have been quarantined until we receive those results. So a total of 16 first responders, and we continue to conduct testing on that.
We also are learning more about the people who have tested positive for COVID-19 in Mobile County. The health department just releasing some statistics this afternoon. You're looking at a graphic on your screen. 40% of those positive cases live in one of 2 zip codes in the county, either 36608 or the zip code 36695. More than 70% of those who have gotten sick fall in the age range of 19 to 64. And based off the latest numbers, at least 12 people have been hospitalized from the virus. 24 are at home in Mobile County, with 16 unknown because the health department is still working on their cases to figure it out. If you want to look at the full statistics that were released this afternoon, we have that information on our website, fox10tv.com. And as we come back out here live, most states who surround Alabama, like Florida, Mississippi, and Georgia, either have or are in the process of issuing stay-at-home orders, And right now, according to an article that we just published on our Fox 10 app from my colleague, investigative reporter Brendan Kirby, Alabama, at least the governor's office, still not wanting to pull the handle there to issue that order. I asked the mayor about that this afternoon. He said he doesn't believe it's necessary in Mobile either yet. For now, live outside Government Plaza in downtown Mobile, Tyler Finger, Fox 10 News.